Hello and welcome. Greg here from Volkswagen Crew Dealership, showing you today this gorgeous and brand new Volkswagen Touareg, here in the range topping black edition with a 3-litre TDI V6, 286 PS engine, 4Motion all-wheel drive and finished in fabulous Grenadilla black metallic colour. Key equipment highlights will include these IQ Light Matrix adaptive LED headlights in the front with illuminated front grille section, as well as around the side factory upgraded 21-inch alloy wheels in the Leeds design. In the rear, the story is no different, with dynamic LED taillights featuring illuminated coast-to-coast light bar as well as an illuminated Volkswagen logo. This model features a panoramic sunroof with a tilt and sliding option, and for extra convenience, electric tailgate with keyless entry and start, revealing an absolutely cavernous load area as well as 40-20-40 folding split seats. It's worth noting this model also benefits from an electrically deployable tow bar with trailer assist, and inside the cabin, full leather upholstery and unlock seating for 3 in the back with their own climate control, fully illuminated by the sunroof. In the front, decorative door and dash inserts are also on offer, and front seats offering electric and memory functionality with electric lumbar support. The driver can certainly enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction heated steering wheel with paddle shifts operating the full digital cockpit up ahead. Choose from various screens such as a host of active safety systems, display your sat-nav directly ahead of you, and choose from a minimalist or a more maximized view, as well as music and Bluetooth that can be displayed all at your fingertips. As I mentioned earlier, there's a 3-stage heated steering wheel available, but the real treat is this large 15-inch Innovision cockpit in the center, featuring a home screen and a sub-menu. There's easy-to-pair Bluetooth telephony on offer, along with FM and DAB digital radio reception, as well as a host of vehicle settings allowing you to personalize the Touareg to truly make it your own. Other great features will also incorporate sat-nav, which can be displayed simultaneously on both screens for extra convenience, as well as the convenience of wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone projection. Music fans will certainly enjoy an adjustable speaker sound system for the vehicle, as is the 2-zone climate control with heated front seats, as well as an area view camera giving visibility all around, and a wireless induction charger. Air suspension is available with also selectable drive modes, and overhead you'll find easy controls to operate the electric sunshade blind and the panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of the brand new Volkswagen Touareg Black Edition that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.